Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Suprati, and if you're watching me for the first time, then do not forget to hit that subscribe and bell button both so that you can stay tuned to my channel. So I'm just returning from Euroshop. The Euroshop is basically a shop where you get everything for €1, and I was pretty excited to check this out. And today I finally saw that it was open. I was pretty surprised to see that not only cosmetics, they had makeup products like eyeshadows, nail paints, and many more. After these shops have reopened, they have a lot of norms to follow, and they could only allow a limited number of people inside the shop. And while I was trying to, record everything inside the shop and do a little bit of window shopping, which I have a habit of doing, I could see people queuing up outside the shop, and that kind of made me feel guilty. So yeah, I just picked up the essentials that I needed. There were a lot of other decor items like artificial flowers, wall hangings, and a lot many other things. Not only stationaries, there were a lot of electronic goods like earphones, batteries. I wish I could explore the section properly, maybe next time. The only difference that I noticed is that the prices have been increased from €1 to €1.10. And I think they have done this to cope up with the business loss they have faced because of the COVID-19, and it is quite justified. And this Euro shop is a pretty big retail chain, and they have over 350 stores all over Germany. And if you love cheap and sustainable shopping, then this is the place for you. Do give it a visit. So one more thing I forgot to mention here is that they did not accept credit card in my case, and I don't know it is the same for all the outlets or not, but it's better you carry cash. And also they have 50% discount going on for specific products. So you might get lucky and find your product at 50 cents as well. Maybe whatever you have seen in the video is just half of it. There was a lot more to cover, which I couldn't. So time to show you the products that I picked up. I basically picked up the essential products. Now this is a scissor that I got, and then this candle set. I just found this candle set very cute, and especially I don't have a single candle with me right now, so this was kind of a very necessary thing for me. I just love candles. And then I got this, and I don't know what it is exactly called in English, maybe some sort of frying stick, but we Indians generally use this in case we are deep frying something. Then I got this cute little hairbrush, and this has got a mirror at the back of it. I think that grabbed my attention. So yeah, I didn't buy a lot today. If you really loved watching my video, then do not forget to like, comment and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, enjoy the little things in life, because life is beautiful. Bye. Shop. So all the prices, all the items, all the Euroshop is actually a pretty big retail chain, and they have somewhat useful. Then please do not forget to hit that and then please do not forget to like, subscribe.